the fifth day of Christmas, my family told me, procrastination queen. Okay, I think you guys get it. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I decided to do a sudden video. I don't do these usually. I just like procrastinate as much as I can and wait till the last minute, which is Saturday at 12 sharp, and then I start shooting videos and try to edit all night and upload it to you guys. I also wait all night because the Wi-Fi is really good all at the night time because no one's using it. So yeah, I know I'm weird ranting about nonsense that doesn't even relate to this video. So why I came on here is I'm gonna fix my hair and then talk because my dad always is like, why are you always fixing your hair? And I'm like, I don't know what's wrong with me. All right, okay. So I came on here to let you guys know that I am going to be doing Vlogmas. Yay! Okay, so I'm doing Vlogmas this year because last year I couldn't do much. I just did barely one video at like the first week of January this year for last Christmas. So I wasn't able to shoot much or do much even. So because of that, I decided to take up the challenge and do Vlogmas this year. And this is the first video of Vlogmas. I first thought I'll just do a random vlog style announcement video where I'm just barely like, you know, wearing homeware clothing and like just gonna tell you guys what I'm gonna do, blah blah blah. And then I thought, is that even fair? Because I don't look that nice when I just, you know, put on nothing and like make a video, and it's like so weird. I wasn't even gonna choose this background or do it with this lighting or wear any of these things that I'm wearing. So I decided to make this video, the first video of Vlogmas, and I had to edit this video very soon and upload it as well so you guys will be able to see it. And so what I wanted to say was I'm doing Vlogmas this year, but not every day. I'm doing the every other day Vlogmas style. I think there's such a thing as every other day Vlogmas. There is one YouTube couple or family channel that I watch that does every other day Vlogmas. So what I'm going to be doing is shooting videos for you every other day and uploading them every other day. Well, no. I'm shooting the videos beforehand. Like if I'm uploading tomorrow, I'll be shooting today or tonight or something like that. So yeah, I just want to tell you guys that I'm going to be having Vlogmas videos coming up. So everyone's like Christmas lasts till 25th December. I mean, it is on 25th December and then the whole Vlogmas scene and everything is over. So yes, that's true. I will try to go on till the 1st of January next year so that it will sound like an actual Vlogmas type thing and it will be quite fun. I have many things planned. I don't know how I'm going to be doing everything, but I have things planned as well. I will be doing cake videos, cupcake videos, Christmas themed stuff, how I decorate my house. There are going to be so many things, and some days there probably will be just a random vlog of me cleaning because I love cleaning. As you can see, half my vlogs on my channel show me folding clothes, sweeping the garden. I still don't do sweeping the house or anything like that because that's really tiresome and it's like really boring to sweep, and it's really very boring to edit and record those type of things. So yeah, I'm just not going to do those type of things. I probably might show cleaning the house for Christmas because our house is quite a mess. I don't want to take the camera out and show you guys. My sister, the youngest one, was like, just show them how messy our house is and be like, you know, whatever. But I was like, I'll just tell you like it's messy and we're gonna clean it either way, and like we're going to decorate everything. So we decided, we were just arguing a few hours ago with our dad, when we're going to start decorating, why can't we start tomorrow, blah blah blah. So my youngest was the one conducting this whole debate, and then I was like, wait, hold up, we haven't cleaned the house yet, so we have to clean it and then we'll record me or us decorating and all that stuff. So we decided to decorate on the 10th, maybe the 7th, I'm not sure, it's in between that. And yeah, so I also have a really cool anniversary video coming up for my parents where I'm gonna vlog on that day and I'll upload it probably. My parents' wedding anniversary on 3rd of December. So I'm going to I'm going to be uploading either on the 3rd, maybe not. I'm going to be uploading on the 5th. What I do oh what I did on the 3rd, I'll upload on the 5th so that you'll be able to see all that stuff as well. So every other day means, now today I'm starting my first video for Vlogmas. That means the 1st of December, and it's going to continue 3rd, 5th, like that every other day. So all the odd numbers of the week, keep them all free at, I'm not sure when, probably 12 in the morning only. Like 12 a.m. is when I always upload or try to upload, or else in the early morning because that time my Wi-Fi works really well and it uploads really fast. Some videos could be just really boring talking videos, you know, I talk a lot, and yeah, so I talk a lot and stuff. So some videos could be talking style, some videos will be me doing something, and I'll be doing like as much as I can. Well, I was also going to have a medley song ready of the 12 days of Christmas, but not with the exact words. I'm going to be doing a little change here and there. We'll see how that goes. And if you like the thing that I did at the start, let me know so I can add that in my song. And even if you don't, let me know. I'll try to add it anyway. The only thing is that I procrastinate a lot, and I was supposed to shoot this video around 8 o'clock in the evening on November 30th, so I can edit it and upload it by now. But no, I decided to procrastinate my way along. So anyway, I had something else going on as well, some other surprise which you're gonna know from the Shiblings channel. By the way guys, go check out our new channel called the Shiblings. I don't know why I didn't make the announcement until today. What? You're jobless, right? That's why you're doing a video now? No, this is the first Vlogmas video. Shut up. My sisters. My sister's in the other room, our dining room, recording the something related to her channel, and she's like, I'm jobless and doing a video now. I actually not am jobless. What did I just say? I actually am not jobless, and I'm trying to leave everything as much as I can in this video in it, because last video was I'm literally breathless and I can't speak. Okay, last my last video did really well. I want to thank you guys all so much for watching it and enjoying it and rewatching it. I don't know how you all did it or whatever, but 3 days and 124 views, that's sick. I'm really happy and I'm really excited to do more reaction videos like that. And I'm gonna stop touching my hair and look at the camera, so I'll really have to edit all these blah 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 things that I do in between. Anyway guys, I am going to be recording every other day, and I'm going to try to do as much as I can, different types of activities. We also might have a bunch of going here, going there type things, but maybe, because we don't know about this whole COVID situation, they could have lockdown. We don't know what could happen, so we're going to be as safe as possible. We might go to visit relations, we might not, I'm not sure. It depends on, like, if the situation's really good, then maybe. Otherwise, I don't think much is going to happen this year. Last year we did go here and there a bit, but it was only a bit, and we had our house nicely decorated and stuff, but I didn't really post anything anywhere. I don't know why. I was just like so dumb. Anyways, apart from that, we're planning to have a nice Christmas lunch and stuff as usual, the usual Christmas things. So I'm going to record all those and let you guys see all of that. So I can't wait. And besides, 29th of December is my mom's birthday. There's going to be another whole vlog. There's so many things happening in this month. A lot of our family events also in this month, and we're going to be doing so many different types of things. This video is just me ranting on and on. And yeah, so apart from that, I also want to tell you there's this thing called the Shiblings channel, which I got rudely interrupted by my sister for while I was trying to tell you. So there's this thing called the Shiblings. It is our second channel. We were contemplating whether we should wait till we get more subscribers or whether we should just decide and already start another channel. But you guys really love the content that I had with my younger sister at the beginning of this whole channel, so I decided to start another channel where there'll be content of me and her and my older sister as well, here and there. So go check it out, subscribe, stay tuned for videos to come in that. So we haven't uploaded anything yet. We're planning to do so in this week, probably next week. And I'm going to be uploading something related to my parents' wedding anniversary there as well. And I'll let you guys know a small update about all that as well. Go check out the Instagram, Twitter and Facebook page as well that I have created for the Shiblings channel. So I'll explain why that name and all that stuff in that channel when we do the intro video. We both are queens of procrastination that we have not done any of that yet. But the YouTube channel is still not having anything, not functioning yet, and we need to change. I think I need to put a channel art also. I'm not sure. Yeah, I didn't get it from my sister yet. So my older sister is the one who's making the channel art. If you guys want to get channel art or any kind of pictures done in like cartooning format or anime format or whatever, just drop a comment on my channel, or you could go and follow my sister Sherry D Art. That's what her name is, and I think I linked her details in the previous video because she was in the previous video. And yeah, so you can let her know if you have anything that you would like to get done, probably 2 or 3 weeks early, so that she'll be able to, like, you know, think how she's going to do it and all that stuff. And I'm still touching my hair. Alright, so I just wanted to come on here and tell you these things, and I hope I look Christmas YB or whatever. I decided to wear this red turtleneck. It's really hot actually because the fans and everything are off because of the whole setup I've got going here. And So my sister, I was just gonna wear like a normal creamish top and just do this video and get over with it. But my sister, before falling asleep, was like, "No, you gotta wear something Christmas related." So I was like, "Okay, fine, I'll just do that then." And I just decided to do that. Then I thought, okay, I'll put some makeup. Then I thought I'll wear some jewelry. Then I thought I'll wear this necklace, which I don't even know if it matches, but I mean, it looks good. Okay, whatever. And I also had this ponytail that I found. It's green, so I was like, why not? Because it's Christmas related. So red and green are the colors of Christmas. If you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up. And also guys, check out all my socials. Go to my Instagram, like all my pictures. I try to upload every day, but I sometimes fail and upload once a week. Be quiet. Be quiet. Be quiet. And I always forget. I always forget that I have social media app, like what, social media platforms, and I'm like, oh wait, I should upload. Get out of my shot. Leave and all that stuff. And yeah, go check out my Twitter. I literally have like 20 followers.
Hello, darkness, my old friend.
If you want to know anything, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. And I'm gonna sign off here. What am I signing off from? I don't know. Okay, and I'll be back with another Vlogmas video. Okay, I'm gonna say that properly. I'll be back with another Vlogmas video on the 3rd of December, which I'm going to be shooting most probably on the 2nd of December. I have no idea. Or maybe it's going to be at 12 or just like this. And yeah, so that's all I gotta say. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, just go down there, hit the bell icon on the other side so that you don't miss out on my videos or my face. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Who wants to see your face?
Shut